I removed the plastic bag of the water dispenser. It has a very good quality. You notice it has a nose on it, and that nose, you can push it down inside the battery holder and it'll dispense the water until the level is correct. Now, this is a precaution because these are caps on here and they protect the battery, give it longer life. But we have to remove the complete cap so that this device will operate properly. These caps can also have water put in by just flipping the lid open, but that doesn't work with this device. So you have to remove the cap completely, and then you stick the nose of the water dispenser in the hole and push down, and you can probably hear the bubbling, and when it gets full it'll stop bubbling. So that saves you all the problem of figuring out how much water you should put in the battery. And then we put the thing back on. I usually take 3 of them off at one time and then fill them together. And we proceed in an orderly fashion to adjust the levels of the battery. And we check these every 90 days. And we have to use distilled water, and this is, I get this from Food King, and you notice that on it, it says distilled water, or in this case steam distilled. Doesn't matter if it's purified by reverse osmosis or steam. Okay, and then we go backwards and we take the container. If it's there's one little issue. If it's empty, we unscrew this portion here and set it on its side and pour the distilled water into it till it's nearly full, and then put this cap back on. When we're finished, we put the plastic bag back on it with a wire tie. Take the board out, but don't leave it, and put the lid down, and you put the board inside or outside. That doesn't matter, but I usually put it on the top because it's more convenient. And then we of course close the door and wait for another 90 days.